Internet. Today we are going to look at a Waygo folding hand truck. I'm going to show you how to make it into the hand truck and what all it comes with. It comes with what I consider a dog's leash. It has a loop at one end and a clip at the other. And it has a bungee to connect all your stuff where you put it on the cart. And it does completely disconnect from here. It pops together really easily. It has a button on the top. You push and pull it up. It swivels. It has little wheels in the front that swivel and the back wheels don't. Then to collapse it back down, you just push the button, push it down, and that is how it collapses down. Then we'll put the bungee on it. You just hook it to the front, put whatever you're carrying on it, and loop it over. Super simple, super light. It's going to make going on picnics super easy. I will put in the description where you can find this. And as I always say, show me some love, like, comment, subscribe, become part of the crowd. Check that box below to see all the other places I am on the internet, and we will catch you later.